Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we're going for a bit of festive fun. So what do you think to my earrings? A little clue of the theme to come. I did announce it in the video that's going live today, I believe, on the day that I'm recording, on Sunday. So on the last video we went for more like a simple smoky like vibe. We're going to go with something similar today, but we're going to go for a fun smoky vibe. So the last one was very nude. This is going to be very typical festive cliche green, red, gold. Beautiful. So let's skip the intro, let's get started and let's begin. So for today's look, we will be using nothing but and nothing other than the James Charles X Morphe palette. This has been out for absolutely bloody ages now. It's like a relic in the makeup world. It is absolutely stunning. When you open it up, you have these gorgeous rainbow colours. We'll predominantly be using this shade here, this red, with this green. I like the darker green. And then I'm going to try and give it some warmth with this kind of like deeper red here, which I've actually just swatched. So let's just go in now and begin the process. But before we do that, let's have a little catch up. So let's have a talk. By the time you see this video, I will have the outcome to my college, whether I'll be going to college or not. Hopefully, let's just be honest girls, how good this contour is. Look at it, snatched to fuck. I should get in, come on. I mean, if they don't, then they're stupid. I am so passionate about it. I really would love to do it. Like, I even like envision like getting up in the morning, getting my little outfit on, my jeans and my shirt, and just strutting off down to some client's house, making them look good for the day, for the birthday, or doing their makeup for their wedding, where they ask me for a cliche smoky eye with golden shimmer, thinking that's something different. If they ask for a little bit of black, like, oh, you're so edgy. But that's what I want. I want to walk out with my case wheel along with all my makeup. I want to go and have a chat to Chantel and have a sip of a cup of tea and eat a Viennese whirl with her. Like, that's what I want. I don't want to be stacking shelves. Like, I'm so motivated and so driven to like succeed in what I want to do. And do you know what the main motive is? The main motive is to sit down with my children one day. I'll be sat there looking bougie like this 24/7 because I'll be rolling in the coins. I'll have Kingsley sat there to my side, drinking his cup of tea, being all cute with the kids, and we'll be talking stories. He can tell them how he's smashed it with his nursing and has become like a really successful nurse, like some senior nurse, and he's bringing in the coins too. And we can spoil our kids when they got their Gucci and Louis Vuitton cases out there and their beautiful little tracksuits. You know, if we have a little girl, let's be real, she's gonna have handbags like some Hermes, sorry. See, I can't even say it because I'm that poor. An Hermes bag. She's going to be out here with a Gucci tracksuit on. She's going to have some cute ass Chelsea boots, some Zara. I know, Zara. Like, that's the vibe. I'm going to be talking like, oh, baby girls, like, do you know what? I used to stack shelves once, but I was a boy of a dream. And, you know, I just wanted to work so hard and get into makeup. And that's why we live in this beautiful house. And I pick you up in the Range Rover Evoque every day, you know. Like, that's what I want to do. I want pricey vibes. There's only room for one pricey. Do you know what I mean? That's what I want. But anyway, catch up over a board. You're all just here because you want to know how to do some basic ass red and green montage smoky eye. So let's cut to the chase and let's begin. So, as mentioned, Morphe x James Charles palette. That's what we're using. What do you think? It's cute, it's great, it's got amazing reviews, can't fault it, fabulous. I did want to bring in some of the Jeffree Star Bloodlust because it has this absolutely stunning red called Bleeding Heart, which is a shimmer. However, with their friendship not being a friendship anymore, I'm going to be out of respect. And I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that because James Charles, sorry, has mentioned a lot of his previous videos, like recently, especially with his like press week he just done, that he is not on good terms with them. So we'll respect that and we will avoid that. And we're just going to be shouting out this gorgeous little gem here. So let's just skip this bit and let's begin application number 1, shade 1. So, application number 1, we're going to go in with shade 1, which is the shade You're Kidding. Remember, we're going to go for 3 simple shades today. So again, in with the red, the green, and like a red shimmer. No gold. We're going to bring in gold for the earrings to match up, girls, because we're cute. by using a eyeliner. It's the Makeup Obsession one. I mentioned it in previous videos. I believe this was £3 from Boots. Love it. We're going to use that for the waterline later on. But for now, let's go in with the shade You're Kidding, which is, well, I just dropped all my makeup on the floor. This one right here, this really deep red. So we're going to go in for a nice simple look today. I'm also going in for a 10-minute video, so there's not going to be much talking after this now, girls, because I always go on for too long. So we're going to go in for the red on the eyes above. We're going to do underneath the eyes in green. It's going to blend out, look fluffy and cute. No wings today, which is why I've done my eyebrows shorter. So let's just jump right in. So we're going to go in and we're going to like border the eyes above here, here and here, and leave that center empty again like we did before, which is where the warm red is going to come in. So for now, pack on the You're Kidding shade, the red, on the end of a fluffier brush I would use for this, but apply carefully. So just dab on the lids and then blend up, up, up. Don't be afraid to go too high, but also don't go too high so you ruin your eyebrow highlight. So let's go. There we go. So just before we go any further, see how I was going in with small circular motions with the brush kind of firmly pressed against my lid and just kind of buffing it like this. Don't go like this because you're going to get it everywhere. Just small and buff it. With this palette, it's amazing. The colour does blend out fantastically anyway, and you can really see that it's picking up great on there. You don't want it to be like too much. You want it to be blended, otherwise you just look like you've packed on a load of colour. And we're not aiming for like a drag queen look today. We're aiming for something a bit more cute so you can stand out in the Christmas photos, but not take all of the shine. So as you can see, I'm just blending it out up towards my eyebrow bone here, leaving the highlight on my eyebrow here that was already there pre-existing, and just blending up, keeping it darker and deeper here, and then it blends out softly and lightly towards the end. I am thinking though of spicing up this look now, because there is a gorgeous, gorgeous gold in here, and we could do like a gold highlight and blend it out into the like outer like borders, like I said before, with the red. So that's what we're going to do, because that really brings me back to like my very first makeup look, where I used to always go for like a red and gold. Anyway, too much talking. Let's get the other eye done and we'll be back. There we go. So now we have like some candy cane kind of vibes going on. We have the red nicely blended out here on the inside of my eyes, giving it that border. So now just kind of give you some idea with the vibe we're going with here. Oh, I was like a little rhyme. So go in now with your index finger and just press onto the gold shade in the top right corner. Let me get the name for you. It is the shade Wig. It is this gorgeous creamy highlighter here, like a shimmer. Just pick up that colour and get it onto your finger here. Now what you're going to do is very gently and very carefully just dab that onto your eyelid and then up onto the eyebrow bone, so sorry, the eye bone, and then just blend it out into the red with your finger like a little zigzag, zigzag. So now that you've got the gold shimmer on your eyelids here, like you can see, this has probably got to be the easiest eye look you could ever do in your life. Just with the same brush you had with the red on, just very gently, just buff it on the eyelids going into the red. Just to kind of reinstate that red, that split, and just bring the gold gently into it and just press the product on. There we go. So now that the red has reinstated its place, its prime position, what we're going to go in for now, with that same gold with your little finger now, just get it on again. And then just press that into like the tear duct of your eye in the corner, just to give your eye a little pop of gold and a little bit of highlight. There we go, so looking a bit more festive now. If you have done what I've done here and overdone it, that's nothing to worry about. Just get your beauty blender and then just with the tip of the beauty blender, just try and pick it up. There we go. See how that's now gone? So that's all sorted and fine and fresh. Now we're going to go in with a smaller kind of, I like to use a concealer brush. I feel like it really gets it in there more. Like you see, like it's more like a wider, fluffier concealer brush. So we're going to try and go in for like a ombre effect. So we're going to go in with the shade Social Blade first, which is this kind of really bright green here. And then we're going to go in and do an ombre with the shade Daddy. And we'll do a nice little ombre with these two. So not with very much at all. It's quite like a Grinchy green. You see like it matches up really nicely. It's like a Grinchy green. Just blend in from the outside of your eye first and bring it towards the center of the eye and buff it in. There we go. So we have the 2 shades on now. So I went in for Social Blade, which is the lighter green, which is this shade here, this one here. I did that just on the whole of the under eye, and you see I've gently flicked it up just to give it some kind of shape on the actual blending of the reds. So now we have probably the easiest, sexiest smoky eye you'll ever get. So this is such a festive, cute look. We've got like the Grinch vibes going on. I'm just going to go put a bit of red in my ears just to kind of give it a bit of spice. Maybe just top up my bronzer girl, sorry, my blush just so that we're looking fine and fresh. Put some lashes on and I'll be back with you in a second. So here we have it, the final look. What do you think? So I've gone in for no lashes actually. I changed my mind because this is a simple and easy Christmas eye look. And when it's Christmas Day, you don't want false lashes. You're going to fall asleep after dinner. You're going to get it stuck to your eye. You just want a nice simple day. So I've gone in for some nice mascara and just curled my lashes. And the mascara I used is the Maybelline Great Lash Natural Lash, which is this pink and green. I think they call it a green one here, which is absolutely gorgeous. First time I used it, love it. I also topped up my green on the eyes with this glittery eyeliner here you can see, which is the Makeup Obsession in the shade, well, I'd imagine probably green. I don't know, green, really good, £3, love it, cute. I lined my lips with Primark's PS Lip Liner, £1, love it. Then I also used my new purchase, the Lime Crime liquid lipstick in the shade Sorbet, which is really cute. Love the packaging more than anything in the world. Love it so much. It's absolutely gorgeous. It went on good. It was a bit more matte. Obviously it's a matte anyway. It's a bit more matte than I like. So I did top it up, and girl, you're gonna be shook because you're thinking, oh girl, you got them red lips. Mwah. Looking cute. I actually used the Primark PS High Gloss Red Liquid, like lip gloss obviously, and it is in the shade Red Hurricane. Cute. It's actually really nice. It works really well. It's all giving them this like plump look. Look, there's no transfer on my teeth. So I can talk like this to the rest of the video. What do you reckon? So there we are. There's my final look. I did top up some blush with the red shade again from the James Charles palette, and obviously I topped up the red too to look extra cute. So what do you think? Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you do copy it, please tell me, let me know. Send me some pictures on Instagram. I'll reply to you. I'd love to see that. No one has ever done that and recreated a look and shown me it. So that'd be amazing. If anyone does that, you will be the first, and I would love it. So thank you so much. So yeah, please subscribe, do the bell, follow me on Instagram in the description down below. La 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 la, you know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely Christmas. If you don't, then that's your problem, but I know I will. So I'll see you later. Take care. I love you. Goodbye.